I got them stacked up neatly, you guys. It is craft artist time. This is a good thumbnail, isn't it? Just look at this. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. This is all my winter decor out. I call it winter decor. You can call it whatever you want to call it. I love my lanterns, how pretty they look. I love the snow decor. And it's so much fun, the trees. And let's get started on this video. It's another winter Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. I hope you're excited because I know I am. And it's from Five Below. Calling all craft artists. Are you ready for an amazing creativity haul from my favorite store in the world right now? Five Below. Five Below. I love that store. I love everything in there. I love all the creativity things they got in there. So today will be a creativity haul for you beautiful people called the craft artists. If you like art, if you like crafting, if you like scrapbooking, this is the video for you. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends about I am Dee Dee's Crafts, my lives of craft artists. And let's get started on this very first haul. I got this haul. I'm going to go down and show you everything. First art kit I'm going to show you is called Kaleidoscope Coloring Mermaids. Seahorses. This is really beautiful. I love the colors. I love the pastel markers that come with it. And at the beginning of this beautiful kit, it says kit includes 6 pastel markers and over 30, you guys, 30 images of beautiful mermaids and beautiful seahorses. And I can't wait to do this as another video. I'm going to do it probably one of these mermaids, like I said, once a day, and then I'm going to show you how I did it, how I colored it. That'll be fun to do. I just love this. This is for fun mostly. This is, and for mermaid, because I got it for mermaid as well, to have fun with mermaids. So that's one right there. It's already been colored on the thing. Let's open this up and show you. Let's get close and personal. Those are the beautiful color markers right there you can use. The pastels are really pretty. I love that. And this is the art book, or the coloring book, or whatever you want to call this. Look at the cover. It's so pretty. Let's show you some of the pictures in here. There's all the seahorses I'm showing you right there. There's some mermaids. Let's show you some more up close and personal. There's some beautiful ones in here. One of my favorite ones in here. I think I can find that for you guys. I like that one I just passed to. That's one of my favorites. I like that one. Man, I keep messing up. I just love it though. Come on. Oh, that's one of my favorites. Let me see if I can show you this up close so you can see it. There you go. That's one of my favorites. Look at the hair right there. I love that one. That's one of my favorites. We can find another one for you guys. It's one of my favorites. It's the last page, I think. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there she is. Oh my goodness, I love this. I try to draw something like this. Look at that, you guys. This is amazing artwork. Look at the line art on this. I love it so much, you guys. So I can't wait to color some of these up for you guys, or as a haul video. I don't know yet, but I love it so much. And thank you so much for watching this portion of the video, guys. Also, have fun drawing mermaids for mermaid, because it's coming up again. I have not finished mermaid. I know it's a new year now, but I'm still going to do it for 2020. So let's move on to another one I want to show you. Cool. Frozen 2. Frozen 2. I did see the movie at the theater before the whole city, town, country got shut down. Drawing kit featuring Anna, Elsa, Olaf, and Sven. Includes, right there, 30-page project book, 5 markers. Let's turn it over and show you everything on the back. And look, it shows you everything you get in this kit. I love these kits. It shows you how to draw them. I can't draw it. See, it's $5. Like I said, I can't draw anything that well, so I can't wait to do this. I love drawing kits that you can do step by step. And look at this Frozen 2 stuff. Isn't it cool, you guys? Take an epic artist journey, which I am with buying all these kits. I love it so much. And beyond, Anna, Elsa, Olaf, Sven from Walt Disney's Frozen 2 step-by-step drawing tips and techniques will help you discover the magic of drawing with a little help from your favorite characters, which I think is fun. All kids do this kind of artwork, and I love it. I forgot the ages for this one. Yeah, right there. It says 6 and up. I think it said 3 and up earlier. So let me put this down right here. And I love that. The next one I want to show you up close and personal is what everybody loves: comic books, right? I know I do. Comic Book Art Studio. And look at this one. Get started making your own comic books. So I always want to do my own comic book. I tried one back in the day and it didn't work out, so I love it. These are really cool. This kit is awesome and amazing, and you can use it for any age, not just for boys, girls as well. So it's a 32-page project book, 16-page blank. Oh man, this is funny. Blank comic book, 5 fine line markers. Ooh, I love that. Let's turn the box over and show you up close and personal everything you get in it. I'm not going to read that right there. When I open this up as a unboxing video, I will do that. This is just a haul video. So it includes all the stuff right here. You get the paper that's empty, and then there, and there's the markers. This is all cool. And the age is up. I think the age is on the back of this. Is it? No, I don't see the age, but I would probably say 6 it up again. But I love it. That's what it says right there. And I can't wait to do this on unboxing. I'm going to keep it in the box for right now. Maybe very soon I'll be doing this. So I'm so excited for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. And let's move on to the next art book art kit. 1, 2, 3, 4 left in this beautiful video of art kits. So let's move on to the manga art kit that I got from Five Below. I actually love this so much. I love manga, love anime art. I never really got into it until recently. I've got a lot of books from them, and I can't wait to learn how to draw that. I'm not going to be an anime or a manga artist, but I thought it'd be fun to learn from their skills and how they draw. And I love these kits, and this is just a beginner for all of us who just learn how to draw. So yes, to manga and anime. So a manga, draw, create, design, practice kit. So we'll see what's all in this kit. At the bottom it says the kit contains 4 specialist double-dipped manga markers plus a 48-page instructional book plus 16-page sketchbook. So that's going to be fun to utilize in my beautiful art journey, and I can't wait to do this. It's going to be so much fun, you guys, to reopen this up. Or actually, I didn't open it yet. Did I open this? No, I didn't open it. So I'm going to do an unboxing of all these art kits at one time, like I said earlier. So let's turn it over, show you more things about this art kit that I want to show you. Shows you how to draw eyes and all that kind of cool stuff. Shows you some cool things to read. I read that when I unbox this video. I will do this video for this. It's going to be so much fun. So yay, 6 years old and up can love this art style, and I can't wait to do it. So let's move on to the next one right here. This one's a really cool one. I'll actually love this artwork right here. Artwork right here if I can talk. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. That's what the company's called, Original Art by You. I think that's what it's called. And then you get 10, 6 years old up. It says 6 and up again. 10 premium drawing utensils. You get erasers and color pencils, and you get sharpeners and pastels and all that kind of cool stuff. Sketch artists. I love that title. And premium colored drawing kit. 1 set. So yay. Ages under 4. Can I use it? Like I said, it's 5 or 6 years up, I think I said earlier. But yeah, I think I said 3 at first, but no, that's too young. But it's not that hard to get drawing pencils out and color pencils to draw with them. But let's talk about what's inside. 8 color pencils, 1 eraser, 2 pastel sticks, 1 blending stick, 1 pencil sharpener, 1 sketchbook, and an instructional book. And I love how this looks. That artwork is awesome. So let's move on to the next art. I hope you guys are ready for that art kit. Almost at the end of these beautiful art kits that I bought at Five Below. So Sketch Bliss is the one I want to show you next. It has 6 graphite pencils included, and this is the reason why I bought it, because it's cute. Sketch right here. I love how that was drawn, and I love the house. And it comes with 2 pastel sticks included, and it's ages 3 and up. Should not be using it. Under 3 should not be using it. 3 and up is better. Yep, and I love how it looks. It comes with all these pencils. It comes with a stump right there. And right here, it includes, at the bottom, it says 6 graphite pencils at H2, HB, H2B, 4B, 6B, charcoal pencils, and 2 pastel sticks, and blending stick, and also a pencil sharpener, eraser, and a sketchbook. It's all ready for us craft artists, us artists, to get our crafting art skills ready. So let's move on to the very last one, you guys. I cannot wait to show you the very last one. Look at this. Not least, it's a mandala. I think I'm saying right, mandala. It's a kit from ages 8 and up. 8 premium drawing utensils, and that's what it looks like on the front of the cover. It's going to be fun to do. It's a drawing kit like all of them are. Let's turn them over. Let's see what you can get. What's in the inside? 1 sketchbook, 1 graphite pencil, 1 eraser, 3 color pencils, 1 ruler, 1 protractor, 1 compass instructions, and I love how it looks. I can't wait to do this in the video. Hope you guys like this haul. I had so much fun. Thank you so much. Did you have fun? Did you get inspired? If you did, thank you so much, my amazing craft artists. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do this right now. Just click that little thumbs up and click the notification button for you guys to come back for more videos on my channel. I had so much fun doing this video. I love art kits. I have so many art kits. These are not all of them, you guys, but from other stores and other companies. I thought it'd be fun to do these ones I did. I think there's 7. I counted 7 early. I think there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 of them. I love it. They're all different types of art, which I love. All different types of things you can do. And especially, I love me some mermaid. I love Frozen. I love comic books. I love manga. I love sketch artists. I love all this cool stuff. It's so amazing to do this as a video. And I'm so excited you guys watch this video. Give me a thumbs up. Like I said before, please get my channel past 200 subscribers. I would appreciate it. And remember, you guys, your creativity can go as far as you would like it to go, because I know I'm needing more creativity in my life. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Keep crafting no matter what from Five Below.